Okay, tentang pakan ya. Uh, David Lian David Dang Lian. He Kam Hung Ai Lo. This is my first time that I meet him, but I do respect a lot. I know in the ages, kay maanakin anaw pangbera, anaw bera niya mo, mase I do respect a lot. So he is so blessed that he met today with a congressman's picnic. He met Secretary of State Diego Morales, Senator Tai Yang, and then Congressman Sharif, and then state, local, all the government, top people that he met, plus Rom, plus Peter, plus, too many people that you met. So, for example, American, I living over 24 plus years, but I don't have a chance to meet those great leaders. But Lang Lian family Howin, David Lang Lian in kan VIP kan sokar tok tu te kan VIP te kan senator te tong thei box ya chuchulal pai ma somna ni tin kam huwa mo and pichuan kay pon kamut ka I cannot meet them mase nang itong thei box ya mo chuchu lal pa hi atha ka ti atha mo pathian kan ta na atha especially Lang Lian family tana lal pa atha boy pa atha to mo chuchu me ringen kan plan wangin ni lawa lal pai thatnak pathian ni mal somnak dunia practice kan ma vai tong chun electric kan ti mo practice atong thai box ya so let's say in the future if he want to be a part of politics whatever he choose, he have a friends from United States. That's amazing. So Tianta, he Kuvera he American chun number one kanin veta mo superpower number one. Tulay chun American he power superpower kan wangin. Chu superpower ramin mipwi no he VIP ingat senator Congress how in tong teka amak kati. So whatever you choose your future, either education, either politics, whatever you choose for your future, it will help you a lot. For example, Senator Tai Yang is a very popular, very powerful senator we have in Indiana. Indiana state, we only have two senators, Jim Beng, Yang. So you meet Senator Tai Yang today. So, because
senator
David in the Somchia, Senator Paka, Mizoram te ahi local vela, kalau invite ni chuti nang ka major ange major chumo ange hi kolchuan Murowin ka Mizoram Murowin ni ti ka asoya you are the major, you invite me at ya okay at ya mo mase invite akal lo so ka hilawa mase David invite ta ni chu dakta Senator Ta Yong ole at ya mo so makati chu ai ka paral cha ni ka haw lo kai ka haw de sia ni ka haw wak lo atong ta mai ya sap tong ko na thiam se da mo mak dan masih di sekolah ni wangin ka haw na ire lo mo kai ka haw zo ka kai ka American kan ya simbrada putem kre minti baka masih sub in front of English people a little bit nervous no katawa ni ka haw wak lo asoi top na ya makati so you are blessed that we met Tian kai mazan lo Tian san ni ka
Chin brother si mi pui kanin ton na mo kanin connect na puna ni tla ni ro pui deu chu uthan she hi chumi kan connect theina ta na pathian in na ama kha aloin honga aloin opena chon pathian in min hong te kha amang thin ni mai aril ru tha mi tu ko connection no
kai
conflict life
pui vak lo wa ma se tu ni ka kai ka time ka mal te limit amo so I will a little bit cut off a little bit I have like 5 minutes so I have to because I told you I cannot be late. You know, like in my habit, I can't be late. So nậu chia anh tiệm mà Colin nậu chia khá vắc lâu mà rồi nậu chia khá thà lâu ấy rồi đến đủ bộ sĩ thấy mà mai bộ lâu bộ sĩ thấy cầm hút chú mà tu nia khá trọ Rome nấu bằng bera nia mà cái mà ayin anh khá phát trăng so cho hồi sa so he's a very popular youngster that you met you guys have lunch together, conversation. Yeah, so that's very important. And Peter Thong Hong, ex-president for CCI, and then Dinter is the guy that helping Srip to think God is good. God is open for you, the door. That's amazing. So sometimes, merhingin palente ha, engtinge next engtinge kan switch na mo, mase afang kim thei vak lawa, mase pathiani engtinge a program zok kha acha rin tak mo thian kan ruat na kha acha zok always better. God plan is always better, and God is never late. So especially for you, God is on time for you. God is not late. God is open your future. If you accept, if you believe in your future, you can be. If you choose not to believe, then I don't know, but you have to believe your future, and then for sure you trust in God, and you have to trust in yourself too. You know, your future belong to you, not me, belong to you. So, but I believe I believe that God will bless you, God will guide you, God will make your dream come true.